It's July 1st, 2024. Out at Stephen Christie's house. Walking down, this is Levi and Lucas setting out their fireworks. Walking down, pretty evening. See what these guys are up to. They've got them sorted, looks like smallest to biggest. What are we doing, gentlemen? We sorting our fireworks?
No.
What are we doing? You got all the fuses out?
Yeah.
You don't have any of those upside down, do you?
No.
Oh, there's a gunshot.
No, it wasn't. There was a firework behind you, bud. It started the war.
Hey, some of those say face towards the audience. Did y'all see that?
Yeah, it's just... No, Dad, you know the fireworks fiesta that just has, like, it looks like shotgun shells and thing?
Yeah.
It says, face this way towards the audience.
Okay.
There. The fuse is on the back.
Yeah, that's all right.
Yeah. How are we gonna run?
No, you can run to the front. We'll have to. Oh, look at this big one down here.